are running for change. We are running to educate on the people around on HIV so that you can spread the awareness, be the change, because youths are the future of tomorrow. So I declare this marathon
Come on, push! Push, push, push!
Okay, Youth Fest is all about focusing awareness program so that it can go generally to the youths, because youths are the future of tomorrow. These Run Fest, Youth Fest, we are doing the marathon just to promote, educate and give awareness about HIV so that they can have a healthy practices, and also youths can make a difference. So it's quite a lot also about spreading awareness about prevention, safe sexual practices and stigma reduction, so in order to bring about normalizing things that people can come forward for testing. This Youth Fest plays an important role in bringing about changes in the society. Thank you.